we present a new tool for securing your videos, the VEZHA Watermark Plugin. Now you can rest assured, every recording is protected and under your control. Everything seems under control, but what if confidential recordings fall into the wrong hands? We know such situations happen often. Videos can be leaked, copied, or used without your permission. This threatens security, customer trust, and even your reputation. We have the solution, the VEZHA Watermark Plugin. Now every video can include a unique watermark. The name of the operator viewing the footage, your company's logo or name, the date and time of the viewing. This makes any leaks traceable and keeps your data secure. Flexible settings allow you to customize the watermark just the way you want. The VEZHA Watermark Plugin. Simple installation, reliable protection, your peace of mind. Download now and secure your videos today.